Now, this budget makes it clear that the Australian economy is emerging from a global cost of living crisis in better shape than anyone else. Inflation is down, living standards are rising, real incomes are growing, unemployment is low, interest rates have started to come down, debt is down, and now growth is gathering pace and gathering momentum. And that combination is exceptional, but it's not accidental. It's the product of the choices that we have made together. Delivering cost of living relief for every Australian, strengthening Medicare and the services that people count on, and building a future made in Australia. Now, the 2 weeks leading into the budget made clear just how important and how urgent this work has been. The human and economic costs of Tropical Cyclone Alfred in my neck of the woods, coming so soon after the widespread flooding in North and far North Queensland, with more damaging heavy rains there just last week. And now, fresh turmoil in the world, part of this fourth shock that I'm describing. Now, all of this vindicates the course that we chose 3 years ago, and it validates the choices that we have made together, not just as a government, but as Australians more broadly. But I did want to particularly, in all of this, pay tribute to our Prime Minister. And I wanted to tell Australians that the leader that they see standing with emergency services workers in disasters brings the same decency to every challenge which confronts our nation. Anthony's leadership is defined by his compassion, his optimism, and also his determination. And he will make our case for re-election whenever the election is called to the Australian people with those same qualities and with that same commitment. And this election will be about the strong foundations that we have laid under his leadership, the better future that we are building together, and the risk of our opponents wrecking it all. It will be a referendum on Medicare. It will be a simple choice between Labor cutting taxes and helping with the cost of living, and Peter Dutton's secret cuts which will make Australians worse off, because he seems to want to cut everything except income taxes for workers. Above all else, this will be an election about the economy, and that's exactly what I want. Labor's economic case for a second term has three parts: the progress we've made together in the economy and repairing the budget, the work we are doing and the economic plan we are implementing to boost wages and rebuild living standards and make our economy more resilient, more competitive and more productive, and the deliberate threat and significant danger that the coalition pose if they form the next government.